This is Northern Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates 4, St. Elot Leopopo 5. My brother, how's it?
I'm good and
Hey, sharp thanks, Mkhotsi. Yeah, what's your take on the game?
First of all, Mkhotsi, let me congratulate Orlando Pirates. The way Orlando Pirates they play very good football.
Very well, yeah.
Let's give those guys credit. They're fighting from 3-0
to 3-0.
to 3-0. They're fighting, guys. And then I know this pain of losing is very painful. You understand? But guys, let's give
credit where it's due.
Yeah, we understand them. But now I'm not a Pirates fan. But I've got worried. Why coach at Pirates abapala without the striker?
Yeah, Mabasa, Mabasa Gonte.
Mabasa striker is Mbule Mun. Mbule is not a striker, my man. This game, even talk about Putum. They're supposed to start with Putumi. You understand?
Exactly.
I don't know Mahopa Mabasa or Banadi Inja Lumbat.
Mahopa na stay Mabasa Balon.
Never go to Mugu Bata Mahopa. But
no matter Banking.
The
whole game, yeah.
The whole game. But Asum game. But everybody le monwa high.
Exactly.
You understand? But when we lose, how le monwa how? Don't blame because you lose.
Exactly.
You understand? You know, guys, let's give Pirates another credit again, guys. I wish them they fight this league with this Maraba starter team. We are tired of these Maraba starters.
Yeah.
You understand? Those teams we are tired of.
Oh,
Maraba starter, we won't win. You understand? But Mkhotsi, ke rata go botsa batho ba go minya ka muka.
Yeah.
Bo brother. Lebo Zweli, lebo Mutau, lebo Tami. They can come. Go Dobson Bill. But the mini. But the PlayStation. Then the never to replace it by Babram. And then the Monati. Understand? They are over here to Dominion Funana Macalon. Carre, our Macalon, Lavandula. So I support normally Tuga, Macalon, the Army Parade. Yeah, support. Normality Nandaba. Nani is Alapo Dobson Bill. Normally I mean Nandaba. But kusasa ikashifts ya win. Understand? Abo makhelwane bafuna ndimi. Ngiyabafuna makhelwane. Noma badlala benza ngiyababadla munna. Kodwa habahle ku Dobson Bill. Bahle baminye. Kodwa bathi uminye batho ubudwa gape. Bathi uminye. Nare re mo tlosa good football and ribone good football. Kon I don't I wish abafana bachis nebabukele game le Pirates beyidlala mfethu. They have fighting spirit. I wish kusasa labafana bethu fighting spirit like a Pirates. You understand? Go mna akisebele ke noshi munna. Ke tsamale morwa reshu. Ngwana tate.
Hey, khoshi yak.
Ngwana tate.
Le kae?
Morarre rona le kae?
Wa e bona Pirates. We ga fetsa 80 minutes. O thomo tsiba gore a gona ka mogomong. Yesterday I made a video that you love to hate Orlando Pirates, but you can't hate it. It is the only team that when it plays, if you are spiritually gifted, you'll feel that it's highly connected. The crowd, when they start to sing you know that something is going to come.
Exactly.
We are saying they fought a good fight. I'm very, very disappointed. I never thought I would be heartbroken when Pirates lose, but today it is a heartbreaking loss. Because those guys from DRC, they are not playing football. They are using all those tactics of a fight and everything. But we need a soccer that needs to be played very well. And Pirates has displayed that in South Africa, we are the best in Africa. And if we can unite, remember soccer is the only sport that can unite us. We don't have to fight. We can fight when we are playing locally, but when we are playing internationally, we need to stand together. We need to rally behind those boys. It's unfortunate that Dian Hoto, he's the one that missed the penalty, and the other guy, and Botuma. It's unfortunate, but they really played a good fall.
Thank you, my brother. All the best tomorrow.
Take care.